Hello, trading is closed on July 7th, 2020. Let's go over our calls. Look for the pattern with the early high. This is it. Tomorrow has the early low. We said the odds favored gapping outside the day's range. We did that. You don't use cash prices. You have to use futures prices. And if you use futures prices, we did gap outside the range. MEJT said this rally leg here was false. We'd retrace. There's also resistance from the early trade. Here was our call, a big gap in one direction or the other. Shown this chart before, connect this line. We don't have a hit here, but that's still pretty good at these recent highs. We're hoping this is going to hold. We have a break in the uptrend, and the thing is that it, or is there one more fling up? Well, it would make a nice picture if we have one more fling up to around 31.90, because then you'd have an ABC with A equal to C. It's not required, even though it happens often. If we start to undercut this low here, though, it's pretty tough to see how we recover. Wednesday has a pattern with the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up. Usually, it's a rally day with a positive close near the high in the final hour. If you drop big early, it's a harbinger of more weakness to come, and there's no guarantee that you'll close positively or even over the early low. Today's pattern had a wall in the close, finished at the Fibonacci target of a prior consolidation. Often, but not always, you're going to gap up from there. But I think the rally leg is near its end. If you drop big early, there's a good chance the high's in. If not, I think we're pretty close, even though you'd have to close under some lows to be totally confident. This consolidation overlaps the prior one. Often when that happens, you get one more fling up, one last dance to a new high, and then the music stops. So I think we're close to the end of this leg. If we can gap up early tomorrow, avoid a big early drop, I still think there's a reasonable chance we'll get one more rally with a reasonable target around 31.90. But if we can't rally early, and instead if we drop significantly early and go under some prior lows, it's pretty hard for me to see how we recover. And that's today's call.